little bit oil, and with your hands. So you have some pepper I use. This kind of pepper. It's very good. And I have here the machine. Now I put in the grill machine. I put them both together with oil, with pepper together. It'll be very nice food now. I wait, they be hot. Come on, my friends, I am hungry. No, come on, my friends. Almost is hot now. Is ready to stick. This is the Elizabeth, my small daughter.
Somehow birthday.
She had birthday today. Oh, let's finish, Andreas, now. Put him to here. One stick.
Wow.